All right, everybody. Today we're going to take a look at the A15H from SNAPTAIN. This is a 4-axis foldable quadcopter. And I want to thank SNAPTAIN for sending this out to me for review. It was very nice of them. And we're not going to do an unboxing. I'm just going to show you what's in here. Okay, this is everything you get in the box right here. You get the quadcopter. It's one of them foldable ones. Folds out fairly easy. You get two 800 milliamp hour batteries, and that's always nice to get two batteries. Okay, so that's a plus right off the bat. So this thing has something going for it right off the bat, is that you get two batteries. You get a set of prop guards. You get the charger. It's a USB charger. It's one of them, the red light comes on, and then when the red light, when it first gets charged, it'll flash a little bit for a while to let you know it's done, and then it goes out. You get a spare set of props and the complimentary screwdriver that everybody always gives you. Now the manual is laid out very nicely. Okay, it's a very well thought out manual. But the thing about it is the way they have this controller labeled, there's for the app right there. We're going to go over that in a minute. The controller is something to behold. If they were all like this, this would be so much easier. Okay, it's all labeled, which is what I like. Too many companies don't do this. As you can see by watching reviews, people put tape on them and stickers and all that stuff. Up here is the flips. Over here is the speed. Up here is the takeoff. Up here is the land. There's the lights. You can turn the lights on and off. That's the emergency stop. And when you hit that, you have to hold it in. If you just tap it, it doesn't cut the motor. You have to hold it in for a second and then it'll do it. There's the headless button. There's the return to home. That resets all the settings, all the trim and everything. And that's the on and off. You know? So, it's laid out as good as you can get it, okay? Then there's the phone holder right there. You slide the phone in there. Now, all you have to do to get to the app is just go to the App Store and type in SNAPTAIN. SNAPTAIN. It's very simple. Just type that in. And there's going to be two apps that come up for their two quadcopters. The one you want for this is called SNAPTAIN Air, which would be this one right here, SNAPTAIN Air. That's the one you want for this. So we're going to turn it on. And the transmitter. Bind that up. Oh, one more thing too. It has a little bag with it too. You can put the quadcopter in this bag. Even has the company name on there. I'm going to leave a link in the description too. So you just go to the settings. And it's not one of those password protected deals. You go to Wi-Fi. And there it is right there. The SNAPTAIN A15. Right there. Hit that. Once it gets bound up, you see the video on the screen here. It's hard to kind of see it recording a phone from a phone to a phone, but you see it right there. Right there, you see me. Okay, there I am. One more thing I noticed about this thing, which was pretty cool. It has a little cover right here for the camera. You slide it right over the camera. You see it goes black right there. It's because the cover was on right there. Now you can fly this with the phone if you want, but why would you want to, right? Why would you want to do that when you have this awesome transmitter? Okay, so there's no real need to do that. And the app has your standard stuff, your video on and off, and it has the you know, it has the same functions it's on the controller it has for the app if you want to fly it with the app. You know, it has the gyroscope so you can steer it by tilting the phone. In your headless mode, you record on and off, which you need for the video anyway. You still have to hit the record button on the app. There is no record button on the transmitter, so you still need to use the app to be able to record the video. Then here's a landing button over here, but I mean, I would just use the app. Okay, that's, I mean, the transmitter, because that's what it's for. Okay, I'm gonna take it over there and do a quick indoor flight on it just to check how stable it is, how noisy it is, how the pitch is in the different rates, the flips and stuff like that. And then over the weekend, I'll get out there and we'll take it to the field. But it's crappy. It's raining here, so I can't do that today. But I just wanted to show this to you guys. So let's take it over there and get that checked out. I just want to fly it around in the house for a minute. See what it's like. Also, I hit the TV a little bit. No biggie. It's a fake TV, okay? It's not real. Yeah, seems to be okay. We're not going to know until we get it outside, but check out the other rates. There's the pitch, there's the roll. Seems pretty good. All right. Hey, here's some of the buttons on here. The lights, that turns the lights off. Here's the emergency stop. We'll try that. Now that you have to hold in, and we can do it from a height about right here, because I don't want to bust it before I take it out. Okay, so there you go. Emergency stop works great. Okay. All right, guys. I just wanted to take this up for a couple of minutes so we can see what the deal is with it. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later.